Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me for another exciting exploration of the English language. Today, our word of the day is casino. It's a C1 level noun that means a place for gambling games. So, what exactly is a casino? Well, in simple terms, a casino is a building or room used for gambling. It's where people go to play games of chance for money, such as roulette, blackjack, poker, and slot machines. Think of it as a dedicated space for entertainment centered around betting and gaming. The word casino itself has Italian origins, and it originally referred to a small country house, villa, or social club. Over time, its meaning evolved to specifically refer to establishments where gambling takes place. You might have seen casinos featured in movies, often portrayed as glamorous and exciting places, or maybe you've even visited one yourself. Now, let's explore some synonyms for casino. A close synonym is gambling house. We could say, back in the Old West, the saloon often doubled as a gambling house. Another similar word is gaming house. For example, the authorities raided the illegal gaming house late last night. You could also use the term gambling den. Consider this sentence. The detective investigated the smoky gambling den in search of clues. Another possible synonym could be slot parlor, although this usually refers to a smaller establishment or section of a larger casino that focuses primarily on slot machines. For instance, she spent hours at the slot parlor, hoping to win the jackpot. Let's move on to antonyms, words with opposite meanings. This is a little tricky with a word like casino because it refers to a specific type of place. However, we can think of places that represent activities quite different from gambling. A fitting antonym could be church. A church is a place of worship, spirituality, and community, a stark contrast to the entertainment and financial risk associated with a casino. We could say, instead of visiting the casino, he went to church to reflect on his life. Another antonym could be library. A library is a place for quiet study, reading, and learning, offering intellectual stimulation rather than the thrill of gambling. She preferred spending her evenings at the library rather than the casino. Similarly, school could be considered an antonym. School is a place of education and structured learning, focused on personal growth and knowledge acquisition. The school offered a scholarship to help students afford tuition, a far cry from the risks involved at the casino. A community center can also function as an antonym. Community centers offer a space for social activities, support, and local engagement, which promotes wholesome activities and is a world apart from the world of a casino. The community center organized a fundraising event to support local families, while the casino continued its business as usual. Now, let's think about how you might use casino in everyday life. You might say Las Vegas is famous for its many casinos. Or perhaps, he lost a lot of money at the casino last night. You could also hear someone say, she enjoys playing poker at the local casino. Consider this example. The town's economy relies heavily on tourism generated by the casino. Here are a few more usage examples to solidify your understanding. The new casino resort attracted visitors from all over the world. Security is very tight at the casino to prevent cheating and theft. Before entering the casino, it's important to set a budget and stick to it. Many casinos offer complimentary drinks to their patrons. The architecture of the casino was designed to be extravagant and eye-catching. The sounds of the slot machines filled the air inside the bustling casino. He dreamt of winning big at the casino, but woke up to reality. The casino hosted a charity poker tournament to raise money for a local hospital. Despite the allure of quick riches, she remained skeptical of the casino's promises. The legal age to gamble at the casino varies depending on the location. In summary, a casino is a place for gambling games, a C1 level noun, and can be associated with words such as gambling house, gaming house, and gambling den. Its antonyms could be places of worship, study, or community, such as church, library, and school. Understanding the word casino and its nuances can enhance your vocabulary and improve your comprehension of the English language. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this episode informative and engaging. Remember to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. Now, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word casino and share it in the comments below. I look forward to seeing your creative examples.